Alright, so to get started, you need to head over to rustdesk.com in your browser and then scroll down a bit and click download. You're going to do the same on your Android device. So on my Android device, I'll head over to rustdesk.com, scroll down and then tap download. Okay, so from here I'll choose the operating system that I'm using. I use Windows, but there's one for Ubuntu, Mac, and the rest. So I tried this yesterday, and this file will give you a portable file. So it won't install the software to your device. If you don't want to install it, you can use this one. But for me, I'll use this one. I'll recommend you use this one because it is easier to understand. If you use this one, you'll get another button that you can use to install the software. Well, I don't think it's necessary, so it's best to get the MSI version. And this is free download manager. Is what I use for downloading files if you're interested in it. Okay, so after downloading it, I'll open the file, and this is it over here. I'll double click it to start the installation process. I'll click next, accept, next, install. Yes. Okay, so it has been successfully installed to my PC. Now I'm going to switch to my Android device and download the Android version. So this is it, universal. I'll tap it. Alright, so it is done downloading. Now all I have to do is start the installation process. I'll just tap on it to install. Tap install. Okay, so it is done installing. I'll tap open. And from here, I can use the phone to control the PC. So on the PC, you can see that there's an ID and there's a password. So I need to enter the ID and the password on my phone. So on the phone, I'll enter the ID. It's 60. I'll tap this arrow after entering the ID so that it will look for my PC. Okay, so after tapping the arrow, you can see it is asking me to enter the password. But on the PC, I can just tap accept if I trust the device that is about to connect to the PC. So if you are not sure you want anyone to have access to your PC, then you tap cancel. If you are sure, then the person should use the password that you have given them. And after entering the password, I'll tap OK. Alright, so I've connected to my PC. What I'll do is just rotate my phone so that it's going to be easier to control. Okay, so now as you can see, I am controlling the PC using my phone. Let's close this. I can tap on this arrow down here to hide this blue bar. And yeah, this is the PC. Let's open the browser, you can see. So from here, you can go ahead and do what you want to do. You don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network to use this app. You can help a friend from wherever they are as long as they have the RustDesk app on their laptop or on their phone. You can also use RustDesk on your PC to remotely control another PC. So after you're done and you want to disconnect, you can disconnect from the device that is controlling the PC remotely, or you can disconnect from the PC itself. So from the device, you tap here and then you tap this X button and then tap OK. And I tapped cancel so that I can show you how to do the same on the PC. So you come here to your task manager, your taskbar, sorry. You click this arrow, you should see the RustDesk icon. Right click and then tap stop service. Next you tap yes. And now it has been closed. So here it's going to show an error. So I'll just close this. And if I want, I can connect again. If you want, you can also stop the service by clicking here and then clicking stop. Then yes.